Back in iMovie, the second project that we can work on is called Storyboard. And so Storyboard takes beautiful templates to easily create a video or movie trailer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Storyboard. And the nice part about Storyboard is that it gives you a bunch of different options for what your movie might want to look like. So for example, I could look at a celebration, I could do something on cooking, a day in the life of, and so on and so forth. Notice some of them, like the reveal and the product review right now, are in the cloud. And so I could download those from the cloud if I wanted to, but I'm not going to go ahead and I'm not going to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Day in the Life. And when I click on Day in the Life, it gives me kind of a different types of styles that I could choose from on what it is I want my presentation to look like. And so I can look at all these different ones. And again, you can see some of those things are in the cloud. I like this one. That one looks kind of neat, but it's in the cloud, so I don't want to waste your time with it. So here's Studio. So I'm going to go ahead and hit Create. Now, before I hit Create, I should say I have options. So I can change my music by clicking down here, and I can click and I can change some things. So I could use that as my music. There's the fonts that I could use. So maybe I like this font, or I like that. I like this font. So I can hit Done. And I can pick my color that I want. I like the yellow, so I'm going to cancel that. And then I have filters. So I could get really crazy with a bunch of different filters. I'll pick Radiation 2 and I'll hit Done there. And then when I have everything set, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit Create. And what this does now is it takes and it looks at what do I need to put in there. So you can see that there's a little intro segment. And I can put a medium shot, a teaser, and then a lower third. And then I have the getting ready where I have those 4 different shots. I have the journey, which is 3 shots. I have activity 1, activity 2, activity 3, end of the day, and warm up. So what I can do is I can go ahead and hit the plus button where it says medium shot. And I can hit edit clip, or I can take video, or I can rename it, or I can choose from my library. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose from my library. And I'm going to use that picture of Aiden and I right there because that's a medium clip. And then I have a teaser. And so I'm going to go ahead and hit that plus button again. And I'm going to choose from my library. And this time I'm going to go with that right there because that's a teaser of what happened at the hockey game yesterday in Hockey Valley.